Hi everyone, in today's video we will demonstrate how to lubricate your Next Gen and compact mirror arms. If you are experiencing stiffness when extending, we recommend watching this video. We also recommend performing minor maintenance on your mirrors every 6 months or after any big trip to assist with your mirror life. For demonstration purposes, we have shown this process on a bench, but you can perform this while it's installed on your vehicle. First, you will need to extend your mirrors into its furthest position. Then, squeeze the mirror arms to unclip the covers. With some dry lubricant, spray the mirror arms as demonstrated. Do not spray the covers. Once this is complete, reassemble the mirror arms. Then extend and retract your mirror 4 to 5 times to work the lubricant in. Thank you for watching and enjoy your Clearview Towing Mirrors.